Alumilite is a mold making and casting company.
What up? What up? What up? What up? What's up, by Patois? Bring facts, Gecko, AB. What's up, guys? This is a little stealth stream. Haven't really told anybody about it. Didn't really plan it. In all honesty, I just didn't really have much to do. It's been an interesting day for me. Took the little Bean, my puppy. Has not been feeling too great. And so I took her to the vet a while ago and didn't think anything was really wrong, but there's something up with her tooth, so we took her to a dog orthodontist. I know, right? Those exist. Dog orthodontists. They're real. They're very real. And so she's having a little surgery, and I figured, why not do something to take my mind off of it? Holy crap. Is that expensive? Like, wow. We're not totally sure on the bill yet, but the estimate they gave us is like $3 grand. So, might as well just go live, get my mind off of it. Let me see. All right, we're good. We're good. Pull up. Some exchange. I'm gonna pull up a little exchange. Might do a little trading. We'll see. We'll take a look at that long we had open. It did get stopped. I mean, when I say stopped, I mean very in profit. But it did get stopped out. I got a little greedy with the stop loss. Price hasn't actually gone back to where it got stopped, so I'm not really that mad. Alright. All systems operational. Let's check this out. See where that closed. Bam. Let's just mark it. This is like market $500, right? Bring this down to like 2. Let's just market this biddy. See what happens. I'll take it. Oh, is that cool? There's like a little... Huh. Well, I guess we're in profit already. There should be something that shows order history, right? Close P&L. There we go. Well, so far, our live trading has realized $209 of profit. Woo. Not a huge number. Not a huge number. But so far, I think we've won every trade, right? Not bad. Until now. Until this one, which I just threw up. Find out. Take a look at the charto. Where are we? Maybe was hasty. Let's see. 37750. Probably not digging it under there. 37. ROI minus 2%. Take that for now. It's a little too tight for me. Oof, yikes. Long at resistance. You know how we go. Just got to get started with some position. Ow, never mind. Not, oop. Womp. Well, this order, this might get stopped. Alright. Look at that little baby touch. A baby momentum swing. Barely covered, alright. Well, another lesson on patience. Definitely should have just waited for, wait to go along this support right about where my stop is. Ain't that trading, man. Ain't that the life of trading. Right at the top of that wick. It's okay, we're really zoomed in. This is down like not even 1%. Maybe alright. Where? I'm still getting used to Bybit. Have not used Bybit too much until we started trading on live. I dig it. Where is my... Oh. Trades. How do I read this? Why were these negative? These both were... I guess they did exit, like, right... I don't understand. Maybe funding? I'm not sure. Well, opened, closed. Always learning experience, man. Always a learning experience when you start on a new exchange. You gotta be very careful, because... Ooh. You gotta figure out how the, how everything works, right? There we go. Take it back. Take it back. Alright, where might we look to get out of this? The chart's looking alright. It's looking alright. It's hard to bet. It's really hard to bet down. Really hard to bet down now. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now maybe 7 green candles in a row. It's like, logically, down's going to be the bet at some point, right? I will say, I have seen Bitcoin go... how many? I think 28 green candles in a row is the most I've ever seen. It's quite a few. We're on 7. Let's start a new chart here while we let our long brew haha. So yeah, let's do a little TA. How about that? You guys like TA? I like TA. I like it. We like the chart, man. We like the chart. Take a peek. Oh, this is... I did not set this up. Didn't even add it to a playlist. Probably would be smart. Verify it's you. No, you verify. You verify it's you. Who am I talking to? I'm yelling at YouTube for telling me to verify it's me. Like, answer a question, solve a riddle that only I could solve, clearly. And that's how they'll verify. Hold on 1 second. See it. Yes, this is me. Surprisingly, it is. I know. Who else would it be? Alright, verified it's me. Maybe. We do have some TA. We do have some TA to go over. We'll get there. Alright, cool. That works. We do have a little TA. And the TA is going to be using some of our favorite indicators mostly. We're going to be looking at these moving averages here on today. Last time we streamed, we were breaking out. Things were looking good. The rally, I forget where we were at. Maybe like 34. People are asking, is it going to keep going? Is it going to keep going? And I said, guys, we've broken out. We're above the 20. We're above the 50. Closed above both. Logical next place to go is the 100. That's virtually where we stopped. Let's take a little peek. I mean, yeah, not to the penny, but bam, there it is. So exactly as predicted, 100 MA. What is going to happen at the 100 MA? We don't know. There's a lot of ways this could play out. We could see a rejection, which would be fine. As long as this 50 keeps trending up, we can come back and back test it. I wouldn't be surprised if the 20 curls up. Probably won't curl up this quickly. I'm going to redraw that. If the 20 curls up, crosses that 50, I could see this happening, and then I could even see a back test right there. Get a golden cross, boom. Price back test it. We see that time and time again. It's clockwork. Clockwork. For whatever reason, probably because it jukes people out, crosses tend to get back tested. It was surprising to me we didn't actually back test that bear death cross back in June. Surprising. But this wouldn't invalidate anything. This would actually be maybe the healthier way to move. As long as you hold it. You can't close candles under the 20 and then still be all hunky-dory. But so far we're good. Today's candle's still green. 7.5 hours to go. But it hasn't set a higher high. That's not ideal. Plenty of time to do so. Plenty of time to take a little retracement, a little cool off. If you look at RSI on the daily, cooling off here wouldn't really be that bad. We don't want to fly up. We don't want to fly RSI all the way up here and then not make it really back to our highs. This would be very bad. We don't want that. What we really want, you guys have been hanging out the last few streams, really want is to just stay above this 50 RSI. You can see when RSI, especially on the daily, this applies to any time frame though. When it's trending under 50, you tend to see a bearish trend. When it's ranging over 50, like it was all the way back here, you tend to see a bullish trend. So I'm happy that we've retaken 50. You can see we had our fake out in June before getting smashed back down. We were over it briefly. Now we're back over it. But what wouldn't be bad to see is anything like this. We could see this just doesn't even matter. Anything, as long as it just remains above 50. And what that's really showing us on just a layman's term for ranging above 50 RSI is that our moves up are proportionately outpacing our moves down. That's really what RSI would show us, ranging that high. Can we continue moving up? Yeah, we could just not even, we could ignore the 20, ignore the 50, and we could come right up to that 200. Right there, 44.6. This is, I don't want to say the likely, or I don't want to say this is the probable scenario because I don't really have much to back that with. Something in my gut tells me that's the probable scenario. And the reason is the position of the 200 and the 20 weekly. So let's get rid of everything else here. We're just going to look at these two moving averages. There we go. There it is. You see the 20 weekly here, that's the thick moving average above white. 200 is the green, somewhat thinner moving average. And you can see these two are very close together. Not gonna lie, this is not a great sign. It's not a great sign. Nothing on this chart is specifically bullish still. These candles have been great. I still don't think we've seen this full retrace. If we look back, these two moving averages do seem to dance around together. This is what I don't like. This is not what I don't like. This is what I'm a little worried about. However, if that's the case, if we're repeating this, then we should see a test of that 20 weekly, right? I've been saying this for months. If we're going into a bear market, we're not going to know it at 30K. 30K isn't going to be the answer. The answer is going to be on that back test of the 20. I don't know why more people aren't talking about this. It's weird. I feel gaslit. You see it every bear market. There it is. 2019, not even a bear market, just kind of continuation, but there it is. Every time you lose the 20, you come back to the 20. It's been blowing my mind the last 2-3 months. Everyone's so bearish. All these YouTubers, like, you guys saw me on Across the Blockchain, and it was like me and BitBoy looking for some kind of rally, which is unusual. BitBoy and I probably don't always have the same opinions. We can get a BLX so we can go back and do a little study of this. I almost forgot about my trade. It's just chilling. Doesn't really need any babysitting. We're going to go back. But everyone has been overly bearish. Like, it's incredible to me. I get it. It's spooky. Nothing's happened. Price is half of what it was. I understand that. Especially if you're new, get it. Yeah, that's totally normal, man. Like, price went down half. You don't know. Maybe Bitcoin never goes up again. Like, I get that, but I don't understand why these people who are TAs, and I'm using that loosely here now, that consider themselves TAs, represent themselves as TAs, why is no one looking at this? This is not like a secret. This is not magic. It's not hidden. Every bear market, and I guess we'll just consider this a bear market in 2019 because it's a good example. Every single time. Every time. Boom, there it is. You know what? You even get it again down here. That doesn't actually count. Doesn't really fit what I'm saying, but regardless. Bear market. 20. Retest. Here's the interesting one. Right? This is what people are speculating. 2013. They're saying, oh, we're in 2013 double high, whatever. Fine. Cool. This is the only one. This one doesn't fit. But it wasn't really a bear market. It moved up. I want to say this one, this is the clincher. This is the clincher. And we're talking 2011 here. In 2011. We didn't get it. It's really close. I'm a perfectionist though, so I'll say, all right, we have one example. One example of it not happening. Some lesser men would say this counts, but I wouldn't. So where is it? This is why we've been looking for that 48,000. However, 20 weekly has moved down because we've waited. We've chilled sideways. So here we are. We haven't tested it. You can see it's not even arguable. We just fell through. Didn't come back. Still not back. There it is. Right there. These two are about to cross. They're within $1,000 range. That's, what, 2%? I think that's like plenty margin of error for something this macro, for like a 200 daily, 20 weekly. That's pretty macro. I think we can say those are basically the same level. That's probably what I think will happen. I think we'll see a test there. As I said, doesn't have to go straight. Easily can come back, test that 50, move up, come back, maybe test the high. We also have that daily resistance right here. Not a coincidence that the rally stalled out right there. That's June's daily closes, resistance, etc. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm thinking. Something like this. This doesn't really look right. Kind of looks janky. What I'd really like to see, though, would be this. I would like to see... Yeah, I'd like to see it move. I'd like to see it retrace first. This has nothing to do with, like, my positions. I just think it would be more likely to hold if we see some kind of pullback here. We're not guaranteed. And then I would like to see it not test the 20 and 200. I'd like to see it break through the 20 and 200, close above on the weekly, and then come back as support. It might near miss, not quite touch it. And then I want to see higher highs. That's what I want to see. So, universe... If you're listening, that's what I've told you to do. Go ahead. Make it so. But these moving averages on the daily plus that 20 weekly, dude, they're telling a story. So let's break it down. If you're a patron, you already got this information. Got a little like more in depth than I'm about to go on it here. But here's what we got. We have a 20 weekly, 200 daily. So it's actually the 140 and 200 dailies if you want to get technical. That's looking to cross bearishly, looking to death cross. And below, we have the 20 and 50 looking to cross bullishly, the golden cross. And what do we have in the middle? We have the 100 moving average on the daily, sitting at our daily resistance. And actually, you can move this because this actually was created back here, not here. This is our third touch to it. Third touch. 100 moving average sitting right there. So what's going to happen? We have forces in both directions. We can say, well, the 20 is going to look to move up and cross. And the 140 or the 20 weekly is looking to move down and cross. And right in the middle, we have the battleground. You know what? 40K might be the only thing really in the way right now. 40,600 right here. Maybe the only thing. If we break it, almost certainly coming up the test, the 20, the 200. What happens there is going to be very telling. Been saying that for months, but below we have our 20 and 50. So we actually have some kind of trading range here. Some kind of trading range. Right in the middle. 40,600. This is an interesting chart. It was not an interesting chart until a few days ago. Actually, until the 21st. Boom. Right there, our magic day. Unfortunately, guys, we're what? Shit. Well, tomorrow's the 28th. So unless it's 100K tomorrow, I'm going to have to admit defeat on my long-standing call of 100K by July 21st, 2021. That was made years ago. And I'll take it, man. Yeah, we got the 65 before then. No, it's just off. That's okay. So what's going to happen? Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out, because I think we're going to see something interesting here. What's up, dudes? What's up, false flags? Disco biscuits. I like the disco biscuits, too, actually. Fun fact. Fun fact. Oh, yeah, we have 50 likes and 130 watching. Hey guys, that is the most pathetic amount of likes we've ever had. You can do better. Invest in yourself. Smash that like button. So the yearly is really as it started. You know, we're going to have that 13.8. That's where everyone was looking. Everyone was afraid what CryptoFace said. They said, is CryptoFace, is he right? Is Bitcoin never going to go up again? Of course he's not right. CryptoFace is a great guy, smart guy, knows his stuff. Anyone ever who has said Bitcoin is not going to go up again has been wrong. 100% of the time. That's one thing I will bet on always. Always. So on the yearly here, we have really just two values. 2017's close, 2018's open at 13.8. And then we have this year's open, 28.9. 28.99. Sitting right below us. This yearly candle, they'll not look great right now, but guess what? They don't always look great in the middle. So let's zoom it in. Let's do a 6-monther. Boom. Now it starts to look not so bad. I heard a lot of people talking about the first 6-month candle, saying, man, that's an ugly candle. I would agree. That top wick is really ugly. It doesn't really look like anything we've ever had. That's what's odd about it. Can't see it here. I'll just flip it back to the BLX. Doesn't look like anything we've ever had. At least as far as I remember, right? Yeah. We don't really see this. Actually, what's kind of cool here, here's some hopium to shove in your pipe. We did in 2013, actually. This is the closest. And yes, those are not exactly the same. But this is the closest we have, this high top wick. And guess what? That worked out just fine. Worked out just fine. We see that the next 6-month candle traded slightly below, just as this one did. And then we had a continuation. So, actually, in the continuation, so we had a 583% gain here and a 702% gain here. So if this plays out, we should be looking for a larger candle. That'd be good. But other than that, doesn't really fit. This could be a crappy example. But this is the only one we have where we have a green candle with a really tall wick that wasn't... Yeah, I mean, like, none of the cycle tops look like this. None of them. So I don't fear this being a cycle top in any way. Unless we see something new. It's always possible. Alright, we looked back. But what I do like about it is we have traded down to it and found support. That's the magic. We found support there on the 6-month. 157 days to go. Plenty of time. You could dump under there and go way above here. But that doesn't look so bad now. It looked really bad. What a difference. $2,000. $2,000 is not even 10%. It's about 4.5%. 4.5% made this all of a sudden a strong looking candle. That looks strong. All we need now, and of course, is to retake that 40,600 level. Why? Because when we do, I'm going to say when with confidence, fingers crossed, we'll have a solid hammer candle. I have full confidence that this 6-month candle closes green. Problem is we have a lot of time. It'd take a while. Let's zoom it in again. Go to the 3-month. Here's where it looks. Here's where it really looks good, guys. This is the secret. 35,000. This is gonna be it. This is what we need. We need to keep 35K. I think that's reasonable. Could we trade below 35K? I could see it. I could see it happening. We have 65 days in this quarter. It could easily happen. But look at these, man. Look at these quarterlies. You see, the previous quarterly came down, tested that bearish engulf, and rejected. Let's get rid of this. So came down, tested it, rejected, got bought up, right? New quarter starts, and by this wick, you can see that the new quarter started and it immediately bled off. The chart looked bearish as ASF. Now we're back to green. So what do we have here? We have the potential for a tweezer bottom, double bottom on the quarterly. Where are we looking? So of course we have the all-time high, but boom, we have another value right here. 58.8. We talked about it the other day. Not bad. Oh crap, I have the same thumbnail on this. I didn't mean to do that. Should probably change that. People are going to think it's the same stream. Sweet baby. Sweet mother of pearl. Yeah, we'll do it this one. Use this one. There we are. That's a quarterly. We have a quarterly double bottom potential. We have a potential for a hammer on the 6-month. We have resistance above us at 58.8. There's a lot of space to fill here. Let's go back to that month. And also I'm going to switch to my position. Let's see how that's doing. Stopped. Ooh. Oh well. It's like, how much loss? 1% of 500. $5. Look at it later. We'll find a new position. I'm in my chart zone. Monthly. Boom. 37,002. Bullish engulfed monthly. We started with a bullish engulf daily. We got a 2-day bullish engulf, a 3-day bullish engulf, 4, 5 weekly. Now we're looking at the month. 4 days left. That's it. That's only just over 1% of the month left. 10% of the month left, right? Wait, yeah. 15%. To close above 37.2. This would be great. This would be great. Do not want to see it close below that 35. I don't want to close any significant size candle below 35 ever again. Looking at this, it just screams. It screams to me. Oh, of course. Look at that. Look at that. Monthly candles closed pretty much perfectly to 3.6. That's actually not bad. But this chart screams, where's the retracement, man? Phew. I was starting to get sold on 45. I don't know, man. That's 618. 0.5. 43.2. Where's the retracement? This, again, doesn't really look like anything we've seen. When do we have a doji as a top? As at our highest point on a monthly? I don't think that's happened. Let's check that out. None. None. Virtually every top. This is why I was yelling about where's the blow off top. Every top that we've ever seen, even back here, even on this not necessarily a top, has had a huge monthly close. Like it's followed by intense selling. I ain't got shit. We have this doji and then we move down. Yeah. Doesn't fit anything else. Nothing. It's very unusual. To me, it smells like a trap. Where's our retracement? I think it's coming. Maybe I should color code some of these. Yeah. Let's make this a little visually better. So this is our monthly engulf. I'm just gonna do M engulf. To the right. Boom. There it is. 37. This is our 3-month, 6-month. Sup. Boom. This is our retracement. I'm not going to label that. This is a retracement. I'm not going to label that. There we go. Here's our monthly resistant. I'm resisting. And then here's our all-time high. There we go. Now we've broken down the chart from the yearly all the way down to the monthly. If you've never done this before, I don't know how you're a trader. Monthly. Still looking for more momentum. So this looks okay. With 4 days to go, our goal is to close above 37. 37.2. Bullish engulfing monthly. You know what? Since there's no one here, I'm going to say I kind of think this is going to happen. Why? Because we saw the daily. We saw the 2, 3, 4, 5 day. We saw the weekly. One by one. From smallest to largest. Actually, day by day, too. I don't think any... I think just maybe the 1 day and the 2 day. Maybe the 1 day and the 2 day were the same day. I don't know. It's cooler if it wasn't. Let's zoom it in again. The 2 week. Bam. Bullish engulf. Where isn't there bullish engulfing? I don't know. I'm like now struggling to find a time. So 2 week, not only bullish engulf, but above resistance, above these potential shoulder lines. Weekly, bullish engulf, closed above resistance again. This chart's just starting to look good. Out of nowhere, for no rhyme or reason. Weekly momentum. Fading. Ooh. Even Market Cipher is saying what's going on here. We got a little cross in our oscillators. There's likely to be some weekly resistance as well. 9. Yeah. Let's walk it backwards. 5 day. Boom. You know what? I didn't even look at like 10 day, 15 day. Let's look at these. 15 day. Closing. Closing in 2 days. Looking for that bullish engulf. Close has hit. Oh, wow. I love that 15 day. Let's get rid of a bunch of this, actually. Check this out. Let's get rid of everything. Look at this 15 day. Bullish engulfed. As long as in 2 days we close above 36. Look at the wick. Look at this wick. Perfect. Perfect wick. Beautiful. Look at these indicators. Could leave some to be desired. Something to be desired there, but that's alright. RSI. Ooh, Leroy. Mr. Jenkins.
It's been a while since I watched your live. 0.013232225 BTC.
Holy. Adrian B. Dude, Adrian, I absolutely remember you, man. Where have you been, dude? Holy. I think you still have the patron role in our Discord. Adrian B. Oh, man, what was it? A year, 2 years ago, we were just starting out and we needed a new computer because mine just broke. And Adrian B, dude, I totally remember you. You donated some big bucks, man. And thanks to you, we were able to get this awesome rig we have now. So much appreciated, man. It's great to see you back. Holy, man. How are you doing? What's up with you? How you doing? Some hype. Adrian B. I can't believe you're back. Oh, hopefully you say so. There you are, man. Been around spending the gains, dude. Adrian, I think you need to school some of these noobs, because we got a lot of new investors. Sorry, new investors. They mean to call you noobs. It's not an insult. Someday you also will be an OG. Just wait and just stick it out long enough. But dude, people are freaking out right now, Adrian. It was 30,000. People were freaking out back when we were raising money for this computer. 30K? There were people saying 30K was impossible. Impossible. Yeah, noobs for now. That's right, Kuya. But every day you move away from that noobs. You move into the OG territory day by day. But dude, people are freaking out about 30K. How do you feel, Adrian? If you don't have to comment, but I mean, I can say my opinion. It's just funny. Back when we were raising money for this computer, people were saying it'll never go above 20K again. It's over. Now we're freaking out about 30K. Mad gains. Yeah, dude. It was like 8. It might have been lower. It's just funny. Like, I'll share my personal story of right now. Yep, exactly, dude. People were saying it was going to 400, 500. Dude, do you remember? You remember how it would be like, so they were saying 3,000, and then it would go up a little bit, and then they would, like, almost in response to it going up, come back with a lower number, and then they'd be like 2,000. Go up a little more, and they're like, now it's going to 1,000. And they just kept bringing that down as price went up. And I remember those 450s. I remember someone who I used to watch, and I learned a lot from. So, like, I owe, like, no hate towards them. But they became very bearish. And I remember them saying they thought Bitcoin was going to go to $250. And that scared the bejesus out of me. Scared the crap out of me. Like, I was newer. I didn't know. Like, I don't know. You hear these people and they say these numbers and you think, hey, that person knows more than me. Every single person, man. I'll say this. And you know what? This could come bite me in the butt, but I'll take that risk. Every single person who has bet against Bitcoin that I've ever seen. And bet against doesn't mean you can't go short, doesn't mean you can't take profit. No. You can do those things. But I mean mentally, they flip that switch. And now for them in their reality, in their mind, Bitcoin will only ever go down. That's what I mean by betting against it. Like thinking it's not going to continue. Every single one of those people, they just disappear. Just gone one day. Because it's a bad bet. It's a bad bet. You don't have to be a perma bull like me. And you can even be a perma bear. But just for me, for Tom Crown, because he loves you, just take a little bit of your Bitcoin, just put it away. Don't sell it. Even if it's going to zero, just keep it. Just keep it somewhere. And then in 10 years, you can come back and be like, holy crap, man, that's the only reason that I have a lot of money. Dude, Adrian, man, that's so weird. It's so weird that you came back. I was just going through our Discord thing, and I saw your name come up, and I was like, nah, I'll leave him on in case someday he comes back. It's good to see you, bro. I'm glad you're doing well. And you know what? That means a lot. Today, out of all days, man, that donation means a lot. I hate selling Bitcoin, but it's almost destiny. It's almost destiny from that. I don't know if you were here. My dog is actually right now having surgery. Right now. Dropped it off. It's like a few hours. We have to go pick her up. And yeah, it means a lot today, man. Appreciate it. It's good to see you. Perma bear. It's just like, dude, I don't get it. It's over and over again. What happened? Dude, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. My dog has had some issues. She's a little older, but she has had like some issues. We've taken her to the vet. The vet says like nothing's wrong with her. And then at some point we took her back and they're like, okay, you want to get this tooth looked at. And so we took her to the dog orthodontist today. That's a real thing. They specialize in teeth stuff. And it turns out that her tooth is like dead, but there's also an abscess or a tumor growing like above it or something. And it like they don't know if it's cancer. They like biopsy it. But basically what they're doing is they're removing the tumor. It's not huge, but it's probably uncomfortable. And they're they're like looking at the tooth to see if they have to remove it or do a root canal or something. Like, so she's fine. She's gonna be fine. Don't have to worry, guys. Beans is gonna be fine. Beans is gonna be fine. Yeah, I know. Dog orthodontist does sound expensive. I'm gonna pull up a picture of Beans for you guys real quick. This was her very recently, and I love this picture. Here was me and Beans hiking the other day. We got her a bean backpack. We got her a bean pack. Dude, you don't have to.
For the surgery, I love dogs also. 0.013209116 BTC.
Adrian, you know, thank you so much, dude. You don't have to. We'll be okay. That it means a lot. All right, this is Beans. We got her a backpack for hiking because we go hiking and I don't know if she's tired. She is a hot dog, so she's like this big, and her legs are like this big. She's like dachshund pit bull, and I don't know if she gets tired or just I don't know. She just is lazy. Midway through hikes, about a mile in, she'll just slow down, and we think she's tired, and so we got this backpack and we put it on her. This was like last week. So you've earned this picture, my friend. She's gonna be fine, but she's a faker because we put her in this backpack and then we took her out kind of when we got to the destination, and she ran around like crazy, and then she ran the entire distance back like no breaks. And she's a faker, but I love her anyway. Thank you so much, Adrian. Man, what crazy timing, dude. The universe really does some strange stuff. She doesn't, dude, it's weird though. Like, she doesn't have much steam. But then on the way back, like 2 miles, she's just like 50 feet ahead of us, running, like kind of like stopping, turning around, waiting for us, running. But yeah, I appreciate it, man. I hope you're doing well. I know basically everybody from back in the day. I mean, except here we go. I'm not even trying to drill this point home, but everyone from back in the day who was in crypto is doing well, except for the perma bears who are just gone. You don't have to be a perma bull, but perma bears, man, I don't get it. I don't get the logic. All right, 14-day. This is a weird time frame, but I like this one. If you guys saw my crazy moon video, which I'll never live down now, my crazy moon video, you might remember why that 14 days might be important. Not only is it the difficulty adjustment targeted date, so every 14 days, but it's also half of the moon cycle. Right. Oh, Binance changed unverified withdrawal to 2K. Is that 2K a day? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You guys might have seen it. I forgot I posted it on the community thing with a little tag thing. I'll pull that up. Thank you guys for making me feel better today. I was like trying not to feel down about it. But the lady is obviously very upset because they used the word tumor, and so she's immediately like, oh, she has cancer. There we go. It only got 35 likes. She deserves way more, but I think maybe we'll have like a Trading Pro Gracie segment where she gives out derpy advice. Don't be a derp. Remember your stirp. That made me giggle. All right, where was I? Somewhere. 14-day. Interesting time frame. It makes sense. Something goofs up here, though, because it starts from the 16th and the 19th. That's not 14 days. I don't know. Let's take a peek at maybe like the 10-day. Dude, there it is. Like every time frame. Every time frame. Every time frame. All these big time frames. The only one we're missing is the monthly. That is why I think probability-wise, the edge is closing this monthly bullish engulfed. I don't think it's that crazy. We're very close. It's not very far, or it's not a huge move to the downside, but it's also just we moved above it. Let's check out where price is now in relation to that. So even actually on this sell-off, wow, look at that. Isn't it pretty crazy how big time frames can give you these crazy accurate prices. So look at this. That rally, perfectly touched. Perfectly touched here. We traded below very briefly, so the monthly for, what, a little over 8 hours was red. Now we're back above it. Like to see it find support here. 37.276. Find support there. Keep going. Oh, dude, I hike all the time, Josh. We're hikers, I guess. Adrian B, I don't. You had to go, brother. I don't know if you hear this, man. You're always welcome here. Love you, brother. It's good to see you. I love when people just after, even if it's after years, stop by, because yes, Adrian B, I remember from a specific time and reason, but I have a freaking memory for the first usernames. I don't know, probably because I grew up on the internet. And I almost always remember people. Might not remember everything about them, but I remember usernames. Oof. I remember usernames. It's always nice. You just pop back in, say hi. 6 hour, though. Alright, 6 hour tells me you might be looking for a position. Oh, yeah. 37.2. I think this is ripe. 37.276. I should probably put this on the perps, though. Perp contract. I think that's a cool name. Bybit perp contract. It's a perp. BTC USDT. Bybit perps. Let's get it on that 6 hour. I should have done all that TA on that. There we go. Like that value too. Where did we take that from? No, weekly, monthly. Okay, it's the month. WTF, where'd I grab that from? May 31st. That should have been the monthly close. All distracted. It's the quarterly. Where did I take that? No, it's the monthly. 372. So why is this so much lower on Bybit? Oh, it's not. I'm just tripping, yo. Here we go. There it is. 37241. Ooh, money flow is not being okay, good. 30-minute makes me sketched, though. I like the way that 30-minute looks. 7241. Where should my stop be? Let's take it. Take it from here. Can we play it back? There we go, 3.8. I think I want a tighter stop here, and then I can try to take another position lower. Let's see where that might be. I think it's at 38. Beat. Crap, this doesn't add up well. Boo. Might not be the time. But when in Rome, let's YOLO 37,241. 37. Two for one. Sure. What is our risk? 2.5, sure. 3. I want to play this. To the top is not likely. Here's kind of what I can see happening. You can see something like this. Get a nice descending breakout. Or we just higher low it. Actually, you could even see something like that. 30-minute is saying down, but the 6 hours saying we're still good. So I do want to catch a position. You know what? Can I make this a 1? Let's make this 1 for now. Yeah. Make this 1, and that way we can go way lower. Yeah. 5. Nah, because then I'm talking to myself. I'm going to leave that TP open. You know what? We're going to layer it. We're going to layer it. This is more true to my style. Let's go 250 here. And we're going to go 500. Go 500 lower. 5, 6. There we go. Go fill my orders, market. Yep, there it is. What? Ba-ding! Whoa. Here's like totally reset. Hopefully we're still live. It's Ethology. Subscribe. What's up, dude? The only person to subscribe, I think, this episode. Nice. Well, you're about to watch my trade get filled. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Let's do that. Alright, we're looking for this, like, beastie little 618 bounce. What do we want to... Oh, man, that would be nasty. This would be real nasty. Hit that, too. Retrace. Come on down. Come on down. To the Price is Right. The price is right at my entry. Let's go. 6'3", yep. It's all there. It's all there. What is this one? $100 for 28,000. That would never fill. Let's cancel it. Man, that was... I want to make a big deal of it, but man, that was touching. That was moving, dude. That was moving. Yeah, we've gotten big donations before. But someone comes in, hasn't been in years, on just randomly on the day where I'm sitting here waiting nervously for my dog to get out of surgery, and unknowingly just tips a huge amount. What a fucking champ, dude. Universe works in wild ways, doesn't it? Wild ways. Like, what are the odds of that? Let's get another picture of Beans up. There it is. Actually, I kind of want to... You guys want to see more pictures? See more doggos? Maybe not. Maybe you don't. Maybe I'll sidebar it. You know what I know I can do. There we go. Got the little corner bean. Yeah, the corner bean. He's here with us in spirit right now. Come on down. Come on down, Price. Let's go. I have like a billion pictures of her. My dog is maybe 90% of the storage on my phone. Just too many. Classics. I can't do this right now. Can't multitask. Oh yeah, and all the pictures are on my old phone. Alright, I'll just this one. Just this one, alright? This isn't why you tuned in, but it's why you stay. Post it in Discord so I can... Go. Here's just another one from that day. We're not usually a dog channel, alright? There we go. Look at that little pup. Look at that pooper. He's having a good time. She is a wiener. She's a dachshund wiener. And she has a pit bull face and she's brindle. She's beautiful. That was her just hanging out. I don't know if she liked the backpack or not. It's funny though. So I don't care. Alright, ejected off that KJ. Smashed through TK. Flattening out Cloud right at our entry. Right on. You know what I haven't looked at? Let's look at this daily. Oh, buddy. 3,500. Ah, that's what I like to see. Got a nice fat, flat cloud right here. That is actually super spicy. That might be what's in store. That might be. Ooh, they're overlapping at just under 35,000. Interesting. Let's check out maybe the weekly or the monthly. I think we were bouncing around. Ooh, under the monthly, that's not great. Ooh, back on top of the week. Weekly, all right, weekly KJ saying 46.7 is going to be the spot to aim for. To liquidate the most people. Typically, that's what we see. Oh, fill my freaking long, you dig. Fill my long, you dig. Boo. Nope. Nope. I so want to just mark it like a small one. That's such bad trading. Let's do like a 100 ski. No, I don't. Make me confirm it. Don't make me confirm my bad choices. It's good enough. Now we wait. Now we wait. Alright. I don't think I've read the chat much. I never do. It's a wiener. It's a wiener. Welcome to the dog channel. It's a dog all the time. You're short. Hey, well, George, you know what, man? It's not how tall you are. Do at least 2-3x. Bro, I'm waiting for them to fill. I don't crank them up. Are they not post only? See, I'm still learning about Bybit. That's why I'm not like messing with high leverages and stuff. Why are they not post only? Why would they be anything else if I'm doing a market or a limit? Can I cancel it? All right, I gotta cancel it. Yeah, that's what I want. Why would it not be a post only? It should execute as a maker order no matter what, even if I don't place post only, but I'll take your word for it. I'll take your word for it. Let's keep that same stop. Yeah, I mean, they're both limits. They should. There's up to. We're trying to wade in here. We're also using small amounts. We're not taking a big position just in the middle of nowhere. This is just middle of nowhere. Gonna waiting for support. It's interesting. Like, it should fill as a maker if it's a limit. It should only fill as taker if it's market ordered. You can set a limit and have it fill as market, but it shouldn't do that unless you set it right next to price. Really. But hey, middle of nowhere. That's where you are. I use post only though. Thanks for the tip. I didn't even think about it. Like, it In my mind, it's like it should fill as post only as long as it's not right there. Oh, crap, I didn't even like put the Discord or anything up. These buttons work? Dude, I hate this Stream Deck. This Stream Deck was dope until it just stopped working for no reason. Now it never works. Your counter's now open. Now do the buttons work? Nope. I don't know, man. I'm about to like send this crap back. Ashcat, not today, man. No, it's very early and I have to go pick up my dog. Question mark time. It's not that kind of day yet. Yeah, sketchy trades indeed. Renee, don't make me confirm my bad choices. Put the guns away. Never. The guns stay out. It's hot. Ooh, I just heard back from YouTube. Guys, this is not public information yet because it's a small stream, though. Probably share. We're getting some features enabled on our channel soon. Yo, Casper. What's up, Jason? Jacked. I prefer... I don't know. Not jacked. Someday. We should have some features going on our channel here soon. It might not be active for the stream because we're live. I'm gonna go look at the last live stream, see if it's enabled. We're gonna have some... Oh, it's enabled! Oh, we are going to have some sweetness coming our way. So it is enabled. Probably just because we're live right now, it won't be. The next one it will, and it looks like retroactively it will. So here's my challenge. Here's my challenge, boys and girls. Now that it is enabled, I'll show you. So this is our last stream. Alright? Last stream. If you look closely, something has changed. That's right, React Andy. We now have our clips enabled. Keep this on the DL. We don't want everyone else copying this idea. But now that they're enabled, we're going to be giving away some Bitcoin. Here's what we're probably going to do. I didn't expect this to be enabled right now while I was live. I didn't think about it. We're going to do, I'm going to say, what do you think? Like maybe once a week? Once a week maybe sounds good. So to promote you guys using this feature, what does this feature do? Well, if you click this feature, TikTok style, you can go through and you can clip out pieces of any live stream or any of my recorded streams, anything. Any of my content now should be enabled. And you can share the clip. You give it a title and you share the clip. And so what we're going to do, if you do, you lose all your changes. No! I guess once a week, maybe. Every week. I'll give out like, I don't know, $100 of Bitcoin to the best clip every week. Sound good? The goal is to just have lots of people making clips. Flipping up the show. Because, not gonna lie, this has been the biggest challenge for our channel. There's so many hours of footage that in order to like hire someone to do this, it's like unreasonable amounts of material. Like, really. And so by doing this, you guys can go grab your best clips. You don't have to go do it in the past, though you can. I welcome it. Definitely welcome it. That helps. And we get a lot of the content curated via what you guys think is the best. And hopefully we get a lot of good content out of it. Because most of the time the streams are done and they basically go into the vault. In fact, I've unlisted all of them because they were so useless. But I think what I'm going to have to do is go back and relist them all. I think I have to go relist all of them because maybe you guys want to dig into them. I don't know. I don't know. That's freaking cool. Yeah, I know that it's been enabled in different places, but it is not something that's enabled for everyone. But through my methods, through my connections, I've gotten it enabled on our channel. Awesome. So happy. This is awesome, awesome. There's just so much. There's so much freaking content that one human can't do it, but if we crowdsource it, and we can offer, you know, a little bit of the corn as a reward to the best clip every week, I think we could get some real gold out of it. I'm so excited. What good news, man. The universe, you act in weird ways, universe. Like, earlier today was one of the most kind of stressful. I'm going to do that. I'm going to redo the visibility later. I won't mess it up. It was one of the most stressful parts of my life for the last while. With, I mean, dude, surgery is stressful. No matter what, even if it's not a big deal, you never know. Now things are looking good. They're looking good. Got, like, the clips enabled finally. I've been waiting a while. I have to give that guy the II. Tell him it's all good. Yeah. Clips are enabled. Adrian B came back and showered us with some love. That's good change of events. Very good change of events. The trend of today is reversed now. Reversing. You guys are the best. I'll make an official announcement type thing for the clip challenge. The clip, whatever we want to call it. I'll like write it out so it's in paper, on writing, whatever. I can't speak now. But challenge is open. You can start clipping away now. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. Ah, that makes me happy. Mm-hmm. Made my day. You guys made my day. I don't care how these trades go. These trades can F off. Don't care. We closed that nasty like 100%er yesterday. These little ones doesn't matter. It makes me happy. You guys are the best. We had some people join the Discord. Welcome, fam. Welcome to the Discord. When you join, you have to verify. We get infinite bots. Here's what you gotta do. I'll pull it up. This is all you have to do to verify. Very easy. Very easy. Click this link, which is just discord.gg/TomCrown. There we go. Send it in chat. Just click that. When you join, all you have to do is click this right here. Click this. Click the white check with green box. That's it. See, when I click it, do you see how it goes away? Oh, you won't be able to see that because it's probably behind me. There we go. There it is. Just click this right here. It goes away. And what that will do is it will give you a role so you can see the rest of the server. If you don't click this, then you're stuck in this verify room, and that way all these bots that join, they don't get to see who's in the server. They can't message them. That's all I gotta do. Can you clip on the iPhone? That's a really good question. This literally just got enabled. I'll check on my iPhone right now. Literally just got enabled while we were live. So I'm not sure. But I'm actually gonna check. Let's see. Oh yeah, it looks like you can. Yes, you can clip on iPhone. You just can't clip during ads, apparently. So there you go. Yeah. So yeah, you guys are the only... There's only like 200 people here. It's not a busy stream right now. We're on like way early, unusual for us. So you guys have a head start. You have a head start. We'll be giving away... I'll come up with a prize. I don't know, like $100 a week. Here's my reasoning: is $100 a week is way less than I would have to pay someone to do this. So like crowdsourcing, if you get a lot of good clips and stuff, do $100 a week to the best clip. You guys get some corn. We get some content that we already made, but now have it like isolated. I think that's win-win. I think that's win. Yeah, looks like a little local reversal. Glad I confirmed that bad decision. First clip made. Now I'm worried. Uh-oh. Whoa. What's up, Braveheart? Appreciate you, my friend. Appreciate all you. Oh, yeah, Binance, looks like Binance did just lower their withdrawal to 0.06 BTC a day for unverified accounts. I mean, that's something. It's not the end of the world. I see a William on Twitter. First clip right there. He's already clipping. Let's retweet it. There you go. That's something. I don't really find it that threatening. I mean, 0.06 is still like, you know, it's not as if like that's all you can withdraw and then it's like you can't withdraw anymore. You can just wait 24 more hours withdrawal. If you have a ton on there, I can see why that'd be a problem. Macro market, man. We've been looking. We've been waiting for that 45 to 48 level. I don't see a reason to change opinion. Looking for that 20 weekly back test. What happens there, though, is going to be more important than whatever's happening now, whatever was happening. Been saying it. It's easy to say now, but I've been saying it. At that 20 weekly, how price interacts, what happens is that's when it can get scary. It hasn't been scary this entire time. Nothing scary. But if we see lots of selling at the 20, that's how bear markets start. We're good for now. I still think maybe we range sideways. Maybe we go right up to it. Really no way to know. TA isn't going to tell you. But TA will tell you, at that 20, be careful. That is cool. What's up, Julie? How you doing, darling? Why can't you back? Because DVR was disabled. I'll enable it. I'll enable it. Ooh, that might have effed it up, though. Well, it looks like Price is going to come fill our positions. Unfortunately, it is like that time the orthodontist vet said that they would be calling. I probably should get ready. Get ready meaning mentally for the bill they're going to slap you. Where are we longing? Oh, well. You long OP? Am I the OP now? The original poster. OG. That's OG to you, bud. These are the plays I'm looking for, but they're not going to fill during this stream, sadly. What are you gonna do? Trading is a lot of waiting. Trading, waiting. But I'm looking for 37.2. Looking for a larger position, 35.6. If they don't fill, they don't fill. You're right. No harm, no foul. No harm. You know what, though? Because now we have clips, and now I need to figure out what we're going to do, how we're going to market it, how to get you guys to do it. I want to make it so you guys want to do them. It doesn't take a lot of effort, but if we have hundreds or thousands of people doing them, we're going to get some awesome stuff. Like, there's so many awesome moments we've streamed that are just lost to time because the stream's over and nobody goes, why would you go back and watch a 2-month-old live stream about TA? There's like not much value there, right? I mean, I would agree. I would agree. I'm excited and I want to communicate that and I want other people to be excited. So if you guys come up with ideas of how we can make this more incentivized, let me know. Like I said, $100 a week, that's way less than it would cost someone to do it as a job, so. Let me know. Let me know. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to bounce out here. Because I know this vet is gonna be calling me very soon. I mean, look at it. It's like 1:20 and we've already streamed today. Maybe we could stream again today. It's like way before the time we usually do. So that's cool. Yeah, jump in the Discord. Make sure you're subscribed. Subscribe to the damn channel. Scribbles. Scribbles and jump in the Discord. Actually, definitely jump in the Discord because that's where I'm going to be doing the announcement on how we're going to incentivize and make it worth your guys' time. And if you want to get the edge on that contest ongoing, you'll want to be in the Discord. Link's pinned to the top of the chat. Of course, now viewers are joining. Welcome, everybody. You're too late. You're too late. I love you guys. Honestly, I have a feeling I'm going to stream again. Only even just to update you guys on how it went. And I'll bring the doggo up on stream while she's all like drugged up and goofy. And it'll be really cute. And we'll have more viewers than we've ever had. I look forward to that. What do we do after getting the clip ready? Ash, I'm not sure yet. Like, this just happened. So, join the Discord. Verify. Like I said, click that button. That's all you have to do. And I will announce what we're going to do with that. We'll announce... And I'm looking for feedback. I'm looking for feedback here. So, in the general chat, feel free to type out what you think makes sense. I am going to listen because I don't know what will make you guys want to do it. But I want you guys to do it because there's a lot of value for me. And a lot of value for other viewers, so. Alright. Get in the Discord. Dog stream soon. Probably today. Especially if she's drugged up. That'll just make for funny content. Yep. Discord. I'll see you guys later today. Keep your eyes peeled for details coming soon. For our new feature. Love you guys. You're great. You've made my day. I started this stream and I felt kind of down. And now I'm feeling a lot better, and I have you guys to thank. So, cheers. See you soon.